120 days. That's all it is left in this year. Just 120 days until we close the chapter of 2024. 120 days. That's exactly 4 months. This is what you have in your hand. And believe it or not, that's more than enough time to turn things around. You might have set goals at the start of the year, whether it was getting in shape, becoming financially stable, or giving more time to your family. But here's a question you need to ask yourself. What have you accomplished so far? What have you truly achieved in this year? Have you made any progress toward those goals you have set in January? Do you even remember them? If you can't point out at least 3 concrete actions you have taken to achieve your goals in 2024, then here's the cold, hard truth. You have likely wasted the first 8 months of this year. I know that's harsh, but it's important to face the reality. Time waits for no one. If you're fine with 2024 being another year wasted in your life, well, then you can just close off this video right now. But if you're still here, congratulations. You are ready to make a change. And here's the thing, you can actually turn things around. Just give me 10 minutes and I will show you how to make this last 120 days your most productive and life-changing. Let's start with reassessing your goal. Maybe back in January, you set goal that felt right at that time. But here's the reality. Life changes, circumstance change, and sometimes our goals need to evolve too. So ask yourself, are these goals still relevant? Are they still aligned with who you are and what you want to achieve? Maybe your goal was to get in shape, but now you realize you need to focus on mental health instead. Or maybe you want to start a business, but you discovered a passion for something else entirely. It's okay to change your goal. What's not okay is to drift aimlessly. So, grab a notebook, open a new document on computer, write down your top 3 goals for next 120 days. Be specific. Instead of get in shape, say lose 10 pounds or run a marathon. Instead of improve finances, say pay off one debt. When you make your goals specific, you create a clear path to success. Now that you have your goals, let's break them down into actionable steps. This is where a lot of people get stuck. They set big goals, but they don't know how to achieve them. The key is to break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Let's take an example. If your goal is to lose 10 pounds in next 120 days, what does it look like on daily and weekly basis? Maybe it's as simple as working out for 30 minutes a day, cutting out sugar, and drinking more water. Write these tasks down. Make them a non-negotiable part of your routine. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Small, consistent action over time lead to big results. It's like building a house, one brick at a time. Each small step you take bring you closer to your goal. And before you know it, you will have made a significant progress. Let's talk about distractions. We all have them, those things that pull us away from what really matters. Social media, Netflix, endless scrolling. These are the things that eat up our time without us even realizing it. And here's a challenge for you. Take a good hard look at how you're spending your time. How many hours a day do you spend on your phone? How much time do you waste on activities that don't bring you closer to your goals? It's time to eliminate or at least limit those distractions. One strategy is to set specific time for checking your phone or watching TV. Maybe 30 minutes in the morning and 30 minutes at night. Use apps that track your screen time or set timer to keep you on track. The goal is to reclaim those lost hours and redirect them towards your goal. Moving on, let's talk about building a routine. A solid routine is a backbone of productivity. It's about creating a structure in your day so that you don't have to rely on willpower alone to get things done. Start with your morning. How you begin your day decided for the rest of the day. Maybe that means waking up an hour early to work on your goals, getting in quick workout, or spending some time in meditation. Whatever it is, make sure your mornings are productive. Then, plan out the rest of your day. Make time for work, personal tasks, and relaxation. Having a routine doesn't mean every minute needs to be scheduled, but it does mean being intentional with your time. Finally, staying motivated. The excitement of setting goals can fade quickly, especially when things get tough. That's why it's crucial to find ways to keep your motivation high. One way to stay motivated is to visualize the end result. What will your life look like if you achieve those goals? How will you feel? Another way is to remind yourself of why you set these goals in the first place. Maybe it's to improve your health, provide for your family, or simply to prove yourself that you can do it. When motivation fades, remember your why and don't be afraid to adjust your goals if necessary. Sometimes life throws us a curveball and we need to adapt. The important thing is to keep going no matter what. 120 days is enough time to make a serious impact on your life. Don't let this year slip away without making the most of it. You have already lost 8 months. Don't lose the rest. Commit to making this last 4 months count and you will be amazed at what you can accomplish. So, are you ready to make the rest of 2024 your comeback story? If yes, then let's get to work.